The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is a country located in the Middle East, known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and significant influence in global affairs. From its vast deserts to its bustling cities, Saudi Arabia offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity. In this beginner's guide, we will explore the key aspects of Saudi Arabia, including its history, culture, economy, and society. Geography. Saudi Arabia is the largest country in the Middle East, covering an area of approximately 2.15 million square kilometers. It is bordered by Jordan, Iraq, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, the United Arab Emirates, Oman, and Yemen. The country is characterized by its desert landscapes, including the Rub al-Khali, also known as the Empty Quarter, which is one of the largest sand deserts in the world. History. Saudi Arabia has a rich history dating back thousands of years. It is home to some of the oldest civilizations, including the Nabateans and the Kingdom of Lihiyan. In the 7th century, Islam emerged in the Arabian Peninsula, and Saudi Arabia became the birthplace of the Prophet Muhammad. In the 18th century, the modern Saudi state was founded by the Al Saud family, led by Muhammad bin Saud and Muhammad bin Abdul Wahhab. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia was officially established in 1932 by Abdulaziz ibn Saud, known as Ibn Saud, and has since played a significant role in regional and global politics. Culture and society. Saudi Arabia's culture is deeply rooted in Islamic traditions and customs. Islam is the official religion of the country, and its principles influence various aspects of daily life, including dress, behavior, and social interactions. The society is conservative, with strict gender segregation and adherence to Islamic law, known as Sharia. Family values are highly cherished, and hospitality is an integral part of Saudi culture. Arabic is the official language, and the majority of the population practices Sunni Islam. Economy. Saudi Arabia has one of the largest economies in the Middle East, primarily driven by its vast oil reserves. The country is the world's largest exporter of petroleum, and oil revenues play a crucial role in funding government programs and infrastructure development. In recent years, Saudi Arabia has made efforts to diversify its economy and reduce its reliance on oil through initiatives such as Vision 2030, which aims to promote private sector growth, enhance non-oil industries, and encourage foreign investment. Tourism. Saudi Arabia is increasingly opening up to tourism, aiming to diversify its economy and showcase its rich cultural heritage and natural beauty to the world. In recent years, the government has launched initiatives to promote tourism and improve infrastructure to accommodate visitors. Some of the key tourist attractions in Saudi Arabia include historical sites. Saudi Arabia is home to numerous historical and archaeological sites, including the UNESCO World Heritage Sites such as Al-Hih, Madain Salah, a Nabatean archaeological site reminiscent of Petra in Jordan, and at Tarif district in Ad-Diriyah, the historic home of the Al Saud family and the first Saudi state capital. Religious tourism. As the birthplace of Islam, Saudi Arabia attracts millions of pilgrims each year to its holy cities of Mecca and Medina. Non-Muslims are generally not allowed to enter these cities. The Prophet's Mosque in Medina and the Quba Mosque, the first mosque built by Prophet Muhammad in Medina. Mecca. Mecca, also known as Mecca, holds a central place in Islamic spirituality and pilgrimage. Located in the western region of Saudi Arabia, Mecca is the birthplace of the Prophet Muhammad and the site of the Kaaba, the holiest shrine in Islam. Every year, millions of Muslims from around the world undertake the Hajj pilgrimage to Mecca, fulfilling one of the 5 pillars of Islam. The Great Mosque. Surrounding the Kaaba is the Masjid al-Haram, or the Great Mosque, one of the largest and most sacred mosques in the world. The mosque can accommodate millions of worshippers and pilgrims during the Hajj and Umrah seasons. Inside the mosque, pilgrims perform prayers, engage in supplication, and seek spiritual fulfillment. Mount Arafat. Located just outside Mecca, Mount Arafat is the site where Prophet Muhammad delivered his farewell sermon during his final pilgrimage, Hajj. It is a significant destination for pilgrims during the Hajj, as they gather on the mountain to pray and seek forgiveness. The Prophet's Mosque. The focal point of Medina is the Prophet's Mosque, which houses the tomb of Prophet Muhammad. It is one of the largest mosques in the world and serves as a place of worship, contemplation, and community for Muslims. Pilgrims visiting Medina often engage in prayers and seek blessings at the Prophet's Mosque. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is a country of rich history, diverse culture, and significant geopolitical influence. From its ancient civilizations to its modern economy, Saudi Arabia continues to evolve while preserving its traditional values and customs. By understanding the key aspects of Saudi society, politics, and economy, beginners can gain insight into this fascinating nation at the crossroads of tradition and modernity.